Morning, I'm in Elkton, Maryland. I'm at a metal building that suffered from a fire. If you see what happened here, a guy was working on a car inside the building and was cutting something with a torch. The car caught on fire and it got out of control. He couldn't get the car out of the building fast enough and it burned up this one bay. But we can actually repair this. This actually is a Butler building that was built in the 1980s. I know that it's a Butler building because I can look at some of the details like this lock rivet. These are much bigger rivets than you normally see on buildings, and Butler is the only one that uses it to put siding and roofing and trim components together. Also, the ribs on this siding are much deeper, much stronger than on other metal buildings. And if you look at the girts here, you can see holes that are pre-punched in the girts. Butler is the only one that makes all of their components precise enough that all of them can fit together and be pre-drilled, pre-punched. So we can actually get the engineering and replace the girts in this area, replace the ones that have been damaged. We can repair some of the structure to where it was originally. We can reclad the building with the same type of siding and roofing. Butler still makes right down to the rake trim that's on this part of the building. Butler still makes all of those same profiles. So we can give the owner a superior product and it will last him hopefully another 40 or 50 years before it needs any more maintenance. I'm Reich. I'm the CEO of Reich Construction. I'm an architect and contractor, and we design and build pre-engineered steel buildings across the United States. Call us about your next project.